Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a before and after report for Dr. FeelGood in Texas on this RCI 99N2. Dr. FeelGood sent this in to me. He bought it new from another distributor and just said he wasn't happy with the audio, said it had low modulation, no forward bird, nothing like that. So I just want to show you before. First, I'm not going to mention the shop. It's a well-known shop, and they're not doing nothing wrong. It's just they're not seeking the potential of the radio. So let's just get right to it. We'll start with RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. Alright, so you see it's keying about 7 or 8 watts. Hello, 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 hello. There's about 12 bird and right about 100 peak. Roll it all the way up, which is the way it was set when it come in. It's a really high dead key. A little higher than I like anyways, about 56 watts. Hello. Oh, it moves forward to 58. Hello. Doing about 240 PUP. But the lack of forward bird watts is where he's lacking in superior modulation and audio clarity. So we're going to get that and bring that up a little bit, and we'll be back. And we're back, Dr. Feelgood. Got your radio all set up, tune alignment the way we set them up. You've seen the before video just moments ago, which is actually about an hour and a half ago in real time. Gotta love modern technology. Dr. Feelgood, let's see if it's going to work out better for you. RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. We got you set around 4 watts. Of course, as you see, it's already moving forward more on average power than what it was before, and I'm not even in the mic. Now with the RF power all the way down, in order to keep spectral purity, hello, you're swinging forward to 60 bird. And you weren't swinging forward but what, about 10 bird before. Let's roll the carrier all the way up. 40 watts all the way up. That's a safe range for this. Before you were just barely twitching forward. Now let's see what we got. Hello. Buries a 100-watt slug in the corner, bird average. Let's go over into 250-watt slug, peak power. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 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 hello. 250 watts easy. Roll it all the way down. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Same 250 watts easy. Let's go here to average power, since we were pegging up the 100-watt scale, and see if we're just barely over 100 or what. Hello. Yeah, about 110 bird. Alright, Dr. Feelgood, this radio is ready to come to you. If you're watching this video and you've purchased a 99N2, 99, well, basically any export radio, and you're just not happy with the punch or audio, just look me up, www.truckscbsales.com. Shoot me an email, shoot me a text, or give me a call. We'll get you all fixed up. I'm your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.